Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for all dog owners: the signs that your dog might be unhappy. Dogs thrive on routine, affection, and a sense of purpose. Think of it like this: your dog is a reflection of your energy. If you're stressed, they're stressed. If you're calm and assertive, they feel secure. But sometimes, even with the best intentions, we miss the signs. Stay tuned as we explore 10 signs that your furry friend might be unhappy. Recognizing these signs is the first step to ensuring your dog lives a happy, fulfilling life. A dog who's not eating? That's a big red flag. Food is life, right? For dogs, it's not just about sustenance, it's about routine and pleasure. When your dog stops enjoying their meals, something's off. It could be stress, anxiety, fear, or even boredom. Sometimes, a loss of appetite can be a sign of a medical issue. So if you notice this behavior lasting for more than a day, go see your vet. Early detection is key. Pay attention to their normal eating habits. Any sudden changes, you need to investigate. Yes, dogs love to sleep, but there's a difference between a dog who's enjoying a good nap and a dog who's withdrawn and sleeping excessively. This could be a sign of depression or boredom in your dog. They need stimulation, purpose, and to feel like part of the pack. If your dog is suddenly sleeping much more than usual, and especially if it's coupled with other changes in behavior, take note. This is your dog trying to tell you something's wrong. Their behavior speaks volumes. There's nothing more frustrating than coming home to find your favorite shoe chewed to bits. But before you get upset, remember, your dog isn't being bad. Destructive behavior is often a sign of anxiety or pent-up energy. Dogs need an outlet for their energy. They need walks, playtime, and mental stimulation. If they're not getting it, they'll find other ways to release that energy, even if it means chewing on your furniture. Provide structure, rules, boundaries, and exercise. A tired dog is a well-behaved dog. Dogs are social creatures. They crave connection, interaction, and affection. So when a normally social dog suddenly becomes withdrawn, hiding, or avoiding interaction, it's a clear sign that something is wrong. This withdrawal could be a sign of fear, stress, illness, or even pain. They might be trying to protect themselves, or they might not have the energy to engage like they used to. Talk to your vet, rule out any medical concerns, and then focus on rebuilding your dog's confidence and sense of security. Don't ignore this behavior. Now let's talk about aggression. It's important to remember that aggression is always a symptom, never the problem itself. Dogs don't become aggressive for no reason. There's always an underlying cause, whether it's fear, anxiety, possessiveness, or even pain. If your dog is displaying aggression, it's crucial to address it immediately, both for their safety and the safety of others. Identify the triggers and start working on desensitization and counter-conditioning. Remember, punishment is never the answer. Be calm, assertive, and consistent in your leadership. We all love a good belly rub, but when a dog starts licking or grooming themselves excessively, it's often a sign of anxiety or stress. It's their way of self-soothing, trying to calm themselves down. If you notice your dog licking or chewing at themselves to the point of irritation or hair loss, it's time to take action. Identify the source of the anxiety. Once you know the cause, you can start addressing it and helping your dog feel more secure. It's a coping mechanism, but it can become problematic if it's excessive. Housebreaking accidents are never fun, but they can be especially concerning in an adult dog who was previously house-trained. These accidents are often a sign of stress, anxiety, or even a medical condition. Before you scold your dog, consider what might be causing this change in behavior. Has there been a recent move, a new pet in the house, a change in your work schedule? Dogs thrive on routine, and any disruption can throw them off balance. Rule out any medical issues with your vet first. Once you've addressed any potential medical concerns, focus on retraining and providing your dog with the security and consistency they crave. Dogs use vocalization to communicate with us, so it's important to pay attention to what they're trying to say. While occasional barking or whining is normal, excessive vocalization is often a sign that your dog is unhappy or trying to communicate a need. Your dog might be barking excessively because they're bored, anxious, or need to go outside. They might be whining because they're hungry, thirsty, or in pain. Instead of getting frustrated, try to understand the root of the behavior. What is your dog trying to tell you? Dogs are naturally playful and curious creatures. They love to explore, play fetch, and engage with their humans. So, when a dog suddenly loses interest in activities they used to enjoy, it can be a sign of depression, boredom, or even a medical condition. If your dog is no longer excited about walks, playtime, or even interacting with you, it's time to take notice. Try to re-engage your dog with new toys, activities, and even training exercises. Sometimes, all it takes is a little creativity and effort to bring back that spark. Imagine if you suddenly lost interest in all your favorite hobbies. Wouldn't that be a red flag? We all get a little restless sometimes, but if your dog is constantly pacing, circling, or unable to settle down, it's a clear sign of anxiety. They're trying to release nervous energy, but it's often counterproductive, leading to more stress and anxiety. The key is to create a calm and predictable environment for your dog. Establish a routine, provide plenty of mental and physical exercise, and consider using calming aids like pheromone diffusers or anxiety vests. Patience and consistency are key. With time and understanding, you can help your dog overcome their anxieties and find peace. Imagine feeling like you always have to be on the move, never able to relax. Thanks for watching. Remember, our dogs rely on us to understand their needs and provide them with a happy and fulfilling life. By paying attention to their behavior and recognizing the signs of unhappiness, we can address issues early on and strengthen our bond with our furry companions. If you noticed any of these signs in your dog, it's important to take action and consult with your vet. Sometimes these behavioral changes can be indicative of an underlying medical condition that needs attention. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on keeping your furry friend happy and healthy.